Well, happy Monday once again, everyone. Bryan Devore with Devore Realty Group, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, California Properties. In this Monday market moment, we are going to discuss the fact that rates are up and market time is up. And there's not a coincidence there. So we'll get to that in just a moment. But first, let's talk about the latest stats. Right now, 2,860 homes are available for sale in San Diego County, slight increase of 3 from last week. Median list price, $1,054,500, which is lower than it was last week. Average days on market, 47, no change. Pending sales, 2,031. That's up 24 from last week, so that's a welcome sign. Median list price of those homes, $825,000, slight decrease from last week. No change in the average days on market, 23 days. But months of inventory is still climbing, 1.49 months of inventory. So it's been going up steadily over the last several weeks, but still under 1.5 and still well within seller's market category. Total actives and total pendings chart, you can see not a big change from last week. We did have Labor Day last Monday, so I had that factor into that. Probably did just a little bit. It did factor into another category in just a moment. We'll talk about that. Since last week, new actives, 605, down 23. So 23 fewer homes came on the market last week. Could be because of Labor Day. Median list price, $889. It's an increase from last week. New pendings, 327, a drop of 38 from last week. Again, Labor Day is in there. Median list price of those homes, $799, down from the week before. Average days on market, 19. So market time did go up by 4 days over the week before the homes that went pending. New pendings listed within the last week, 19, and new pendings listed within the last 2 weeks, 158. So roughly the same. 6% of homes are selling in a week or less. Almost half the homes are selling in 2 weeks or less. Let's look at the closed sales. 274 closed sales, huge drop of 149 from last week. We had one less day that homes could close escrow because escrow companies were closed on Monday. So one of the reasons why we had such a big drop. Median list price of those homes, $864, $450, an increase from last week. Median sales price, $867.5, also an increase from the homes that closed escrow the week prior. Average days on market, one fewer day, 19 days. The least expensive sale, I think first time in the history of the Monday market moment, which has been going on now for well over 3 years, $155,000 in Boulevard. The most expensive sale, $10,400,000 in La Jolla. Here's the chart that shows new actives, new pendings, and new closed sales. And you can see all of them were down. The new closed sales, quite a big drop and the fewest sales in quite a while. In fact, right around 4th of July was the last time we had fewer closed sales. And again, because 20% fewer days to close. Median list price to median sales price, an increase from last week, still below the weeks before that, but still bouncing around there. Okay, so market time is up because interest rates are up. Interest rates have been steadily climbing, and in the last couple of weeks, they've been up the most they've been in quite a while, hovering around 7.5%, give or take. And so you can see the chart here on the expected market time. This is from the Stephen Thomas's reports on housing. You can see the last few years, the trajectory right now for this year, steep incline, steep increase over the last few weeks relative to the years past, where it's been flat, a little bit up, a little bit down. This is a big increase in the expected market time because rates are up. Demand is just really muted. We're still seeing sales though because not much inventory still. And here is the breakdown by zip code or by city rather. And I can send you the full report if you would like it, but I just picked out a few cities here. And I want to point out that even though across the board market time is up, it still varies from city to city, zip code to zip code, neighborhood to neighborhood. So for example, if you look at market time in days for Alpine, 65 versus 2 weeks ago, 46. So that's in line with what we've been talking about with market time going up. But Bonita is down by 11 days. Bonsall is down by 24 days. Borrego Springs, quite a bit higher. Campo higher. And Cardiff by the Sea higher. But Carlsbad is lower. So it really just depends on where the home is going to dictate a lot of what the market time is going to be. Lastly, we can look at Southern California and how does San Diego stack up with market time. And you can see pretty much across the board in all the different counties in Southern California. If you look at the far right column, market time 2 years ago versus market time in days right now, all of them are up quite a bit. LA County from 40 to 68, Orange County from 26 to 49, almost double. Riverside County from 28 to 67, and then look at San Diego County from 26 to 50, almost twice as many days it's expected to sell a home right now. Now, it's still a seller's market. It's 50 days to sell is still a seller's market, but quite a bit higher because rates are going up. So if you are looking to sell your home, you really do need to pay attention to price. You could sell your home in a week or 2 weeks, but if you don't price it right, you're going to be in that other category longer than 2 weeks, 50 days, 60 days. Again, it does depend on the area you're in. And if you're looking to buy a home, pay attention to the market time and pricing in that particular area. Look at homes that are pending and how long it took for them to go pending, so you can kind of get an idea of what the market's like if you're looking to buy in that area. That's it for this week's Monday Market Moment. Don't forget to scan the QR code to track your home's value. Next week, we'll have some more data from the most recent reports on housing for San Diego County. If you have any questions, give me a call, send me an email. Glad to answer any questions you may have. Otherwise, look forward to seeing you next Monday in the next Monday Market Moment.
You've been watching Monday Market Moment with Bryan Devore. To request a transcript of this week's report, send an email request to brian@devorerealtygroup.com.